Mic check, man. This is Gimme Adriana's boyfriend checking in. She juicing up them lips right now. She's showing us some ointment. If you don't know, I'm doing a voiceover. I guess she getting her skin right before she doll on up. Do your thing. Okay, what you finna do here? Okay, nice little cream, putting it on them cheeks, getting in them cracks and crevices. Get that big ass forehead. Some type of goddamn shows you putting on them goddamn ugly ass eyebrow. Now just playing. She smoothing them holes out though. Okay, getting that pencil / marker. Go ahead and getting in there, getting that thing right. She did that bit kind of fast. She smoothing them holes out. I swear we only been in the video a minute. She underlining, getting that tone right, getting it in, smoothing it on that. Okay. Y'all females goddamn painters in this thing. Okay, getting it right around them eyebrows. Okay, the eyebrows are flawless right now. Nice little jig dance for the celebration. Smoothing that thing out a little bit more with that rake. What this is. They ain't even gonna show the nigga goddamn. You should slow that bit down some. Back, getting that skin moisturized. She always moisturizing her skin. Let's see what we're doing here. That 5 head, getting it right, hitting that chin. Okay. How many times you gonna do this? Come on now. Okay, here we go. What this is right here, man. Juicing that skin up. It's so crazy how everything is like a whole different color. That bit like a little face mask or something. Here she done came in here with the boy leg. That bit ain't cracking. She smoothing everything out. That bit look like a clay mask or something. I know it ain't, but that's what that bit look like for real. Okay. Smoothing it out still. Getting it right. The egg turned a whole different color. Getting over them eyelids. Still ain't touched the eyebrows. That's what you call precision. Getting under that neck. Y'all females don't be having y'all shit, what that is, leveled out, I guess, smoothing, toned with the neck. Y'all be having 2 different color necks. Now I ain't gonna say nothing. Here she come again with, look like she finna go play football and put a little paint under the eyebrow, hit that nose, under the nose, I mean. Chin, back to that other eye. Here goes, she the quarterback now. Oh, right down the center. She down there Indian. Ha! Okay.
360 mocha.
3D, she said she wants y'all know that's 3D. Y'all hoes ain't got 3D, step the game up. Get right. Get right. Back on that egg, bro. That egg is tired. I'm about to buy a new one of them. Going down on that forehead, getting it right. Getting it right. I couldn't do makeup. I'm glad I'm not no female. She patting down everything, getting it right around that eye. From what I see, the eye is a section you got to really make sure you get, because she done hit these eyes about 4 or 5 times in the area. It probably look like it's the hardest. The nose. So the forehead, the nose, the chin. She adding something else. Did I say concealer? Bro, this like the 5th thing she's added. This what the female gotta do to be a bad bitch. Child. I wonder if you can just draw these lines anywhere. Like, who said, yeah, put 2 lines on that nose. Oh, she getting them edges right. Ladies, edges gotta always stay on point. Period. Period, poo. Okay. Nose kind of shiny, man. Getting it right. Back at them eyes. What that is, cheese grater? Got holes in it. I don't know. She look lost too. Oh, I guess you're getting it right. Pat that. Okay, getting it right. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake them. She look. She don't know what she doing. Got flour around the eye. Hey, so much stuff. Child, it better be worth it in the end. Hey, she be putting all this on. Goes outside for 2 minutes. I am ready to take this off. My pores can't breathe. Child, don't let her fool y'all, child. She don't even like none of this. Back on that nose. Is this the highlight part? Nah, this ain't the highlight, I don't think. Bro, what does this even do? Crown. She always be talking about that crown now. I think it's one of the best. I don't even know what that is she put. Is that eyeshadow? Yeah. One of the best palettes, if I'm not mistaken. If you need to see what color she did chose, you can rewind it to double check. But whatever she chose the right ones. Blending in so perfectly right now. Dusting off that chin. Lovely. Work it. Work it. Wonderful strokes. Wonderful. She must have heard me. Get it now. Forehead. Hey. Looking good. Look like she got to go back in with the salt shaker. Here we go. Nice little. I don't know what all this does. Can somebody tell me what that is? In the comments, please. Okay, okay. Dusting it right back on off. Okay. The fit, circle. Dusting it off. Getting around the lip area. Okay, taking care of the mustache, the mouth. All little creases, getting it in there. Setting spray, I know what that is. She be talking about the setting spray, I know what that is. What's that? I think that was setting spray. There's so many goddamn brushes. She done came out with goddamn feather brush now. What is this? That shit done broke. She said, look, y'all. Still making it happen on y'all ugly ass. Yep, you heard her. Get it now. Okay. She came a long way. This makeup to be a little straight. Okay, okay. On that nose. What's she doing now? Oh, she back with that rake. It's another rake. Getting them eyebrow. I do not fuck with eyebrows. Like, I really don't fuck with eyes. Like, I don't like looking at people's eyes. Blinking mink. Yimmy Asiana lashes. Which one should she pick? Left or right? Left or right? Look like she going with her right or left. Ooh! Done put them goddamn jit finna fly away with them things. Nah, they look good though. I like the longer lashes. Y'all need to go cop some lashes from where y'all playing. Y'all ain't even doing nothing. You dig? Lip gloss is popping. Little mama was having. I like lip gloss. Ladies, I do not like lipstick. Lip gloss is, I feel, an essential thing for every event. Makeup, more setting spray. I know what that is, y'all. You dig? Makeup, good. Slow-mo. Wonderful. You guys need to like and subscribe on this video. Drop a comment for Lil Mama. You dig? Beautiful. Hand claps. Bye. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. Mwah.